Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our AUD USD, Australian dollar to our US dollar. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on AUD USD. We will see that our trend is literally on a downtrend move, but our current trend is ranging market move. Now, if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that currently this is our resistance level. And this is on the current trend also. This is the support level. But if you are to look at it on the main trend, then definitely it is a downtrend move. But on the current trend, it is a ranging market move. So market is currently at our resistance level. So if in case there's a little bit of a push up, market should eventually drop. So above all, we should be expecting a drop on AUD USD. So it's either once market opens, you can start looking for the sell setup and the market will likely drop. Or if it pushes up again to test it properly, it will most likely going to drop again. So above all, our forecasts for the day on AUD USD is a bearish move to the downside.